How to link your Twitch account to your Ubisoft account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can link your Twitch account to your Ubisoft account. So to do that, first of all, open up the Ubisoft on either your browser of your mobile device or your desktop. And once you've logged into your Ubisoft account, simply tap on this icon on the top right corner of your screen. After that, a drop-down box will appear where you'll have to simply scroll down and then tap on the option Account Management. Now tap on the option Account Information. After that, scroll down and then under linked accounts, go to the right until you see the option Twitch. Simply tap on the option link. And once you've done that, a new window will pop up where you'll have to simply scroll down and then tap on the option authorize. Now, if it finds your Twitch account over here, you can simply authorize. But if it doesn't, all you have to do is simply enter your Twitch username and the password of your Twitch account. And once you've done that, once you tap on the option authorize, you'll have successfully linked your Twitch account to your Ubisoft account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.